Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first workshop of Mice versus Machines. How far are we from the common sense of a toddler? Here are all the organizers. I'm Tung. I'm currently a PhD student from Carnegie Mellon University. Today, mostly Adam and Aria and I will be moderating this workshop. We also have Katerina, my advisor, Phillip, Isola, Fuxin, Leila, Wehbe, and Jiajun. And here I will tell you why we want to organize this workshop. Over the past decades, we have witnessed many successful stories in visual understanding. Our machines begin to produce satisfactory performance in object detection, post-estimation, question answering, and they can even act in the real world. Despite all these successful stories, it seems like they are mostly application specific, and there is still something important missing from our current AI system. On the other hand, while there are a lot of things our toddlers cannot do, they display capabilities that current machines are unable to achieve. For example, 1-year-olds are able to climb up and down on all kinds of furnitures without demonstrations. So this kid is climbing on this shelf. And we can also expect them to learn to play with many different types of toys within a short period of time. It seems they already possess some primitive form of human common sense knowledge to enable them to achieve these seemingly easy but actually challenging tasks. In this workshop, we aim to look deeper into these and ask the following questions. First, how far are current AI systems from the common sense of a toddler? What is missing, and how do we bridge the gap? Building machine common sense is challenging, but luckily we already have many real-world systems that have common sense. That is our human toddlers. A good first step to understand common sense and how we can build it is to observe what these toddlers can do and how they get to know the common sense knowledge. Therefore, the second question we are going to explore today in this workshop is, can we draw some insights from our understanding of these toddlers to improve current AI systems? And once we get some ideas from these toddlers, as a researcher or an engineer, what we really want to know is how we can really equip the common sense on our machine. To achieve this, what should we work on? The third question we're going to talk about today is, to build human-like common sense, what research topics need continued exploration and what topics are still missing? So in this workshop, we are very, very excited to have with us today top researchers in psychology and computer science to share with us their answer on these questions. In the morning, we will have Elizabeth Spelke, Old Oliver, Dan Urovestic, and Josh Tannenbaum. In the afternoon, we will have Linda Smith, Bruno Oscherson, Larry Zipnik, Alison Golnick, and Jitendra Malik. At noon, we will have an oral presentation session, followed by a poster session. Don't miss the chance to have live QA session with the authors. And in the afternoon, we will have another poster session where you can follow up with your discussion at noon. After Jitendra's talk, don't leave yet. We will have a panel discussion with all the speakers. Okay, and if you want to submit questions for the panel discussion, please go ahead on our website and then click on this link, then you can submit the question. Okay, so this is today's fall schedule, and here we will begin today's talk.